Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be installing some minor cosmetic mods on the Stinger. Now, everything's not quite here yet. Some of it did get held up in the mail, but I figured we would go ahead and start with what I have so far. So, I picked up some of these little door latch covers. Nothing too crazy, just a nice little cover for that door latch when you open up the door, and some paddle shifter extensions for the steering wheel. So let's go ahead and get those installed, and then hopefully our other stuff will show up in the next day or so, and we'll be able to get that installed as well. Alrighty, and now our rain guards have shown up, so what we need to do is we're going to clean this little strip above the windows here and then apply some of this adhesion promoter, and then on the back of these it's just got some 3M double-sided adhesive, and we'll get those all attached. I went ahead and ordered some C-pillar louvers that finally came in, so we'll go ahead and clean that window and then get these installed. Also picked up some canards that were called Devil's Claw canards. They're going to go here kind of in this vent and sit down like that on the front of the car. So we'll go ahead and clean that area and get those installed as well. I even picked up a little GT sticker that's going to go here on our drive mode knob. And it's just a transfer decal, so all you've got to do is put it on and then peel from one end, and there we go. I went ahead and picked up a spoiler for the trunk and put some double-sided adhesive on the inside, so we'll go ahead and clean that area up and get this installed as well. And picked up a new set of wheels. I got some Koenig oversteers installed. I also went ahead and picked up some vinyl tinting that we're going to put over the side markers over here. I just didn't really like how the red extends all the way up and kind of onto the side of the car. I'd rather have that blacked out. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that area up and then get these installed on each side as well. And our last mod for the video has finally arrived. I went ahead and ordered the rear set of Devil's Claw canards. They were on back order, so I couldn't get them as a bundle with the front ones, but they're gonna sit in here kind of just like that. So we'll get this area cleaned up and get these installed as well. Alrighty, we went from stock to not so stock on the outside, and I've got to say I am super pleased with the results already. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the mods that we installed, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description below in case you want to pick up any of these mods for your Stinger. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.